There we go. Here we go. All right, I got both Browns over here, Jennifer Brown and Mr. Brown, her husband. They're the first two here to hear the super truck with the deck in. We got, that's TI Motivation. Where'd Cashing Out go? Fetty Wap again. I should play that, but I need some highs so I can sing it. Come on, man. I just had the song set, Paul. Here we go. We're going to do Never End. Remember, no highs right now. I ain't got no words. Bass knob is off. We don't want it. I'm going to sing it for you. I'll sing it for y'all. I need my highs. I'm gonna do that today. At least the doors. Come on, beat. Okay, that's it. That's enough. Ain't that enough? All right, that's 20,000 watts, and it sounds like 20,000 watts. Super Truck 2017, testing, full light.